The electric pressure washer 4500 PSI 3.2 GPM is an innovative product that boasts a unique spray handle with smart touchscreen features, allowing for precise pressure adjustment across 3 cleaning modes. This pressure washer is equipped with a total stop system, an automatic safety feature that shuts off the pump when not in use to save energy and extend the life of the pump. The product comes with 5 quick connect nozzles for various cleaning tasks, from cleaning hard-to-reach areas and stubborn stains to spraying soaps and detergents. Designed with 4 individually rotating wheels, this pressure washer offers maximum mobility and is ideal for cleaning a variety of surfaces. The Fengrong Electric Pressure Washer also features built-in overheating and protections to ensure safety and durability during usage. The product is priced at $199.0 and has received a high review score of 4.8, with 37 reviews indicating high customer satisfaction.